Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable ADB debugging. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button or select button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system you can find a new option called developer options. Select it. These are the list of developer options. From this list let me select ADB debugging or USB debugging. See, let me enable this. Select USB debugging, select OK. This way we can enable ADB debugging. If you want to disable, you can disable here. Let me go to top. Here you can disable developer options. I recommend to disable developer options after the use because of security issues. Let me disable. Done. Then go back. See, now under system it's not showing developer options because I have disabled it. So this way we can enable or disable USB debugging. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.